Hi, I just want to make a quick video now. We have a Tridata with a melted screen, but the board used to be good. I remember that it was okay. And we have another one that's not reading, but the LCD it's like new. The together of the board, it has a little bit of corrosion. I don't know if on the phone, on the camera you can see it, but uh, beside that it has a little bit of oxidation all over the board. Let's just see if we manage to. So humidity has been inside this one. Now I said okay, instead of fixing this board since it has the oxidation inside, I said let's just desolder the bad LCD and switch them from one side to the other. That way we also make a video. We have the desoldering station already past a bit of leaded lower melting temperature on all the pins. Now the trick here is having a good desoldering station, and even like that sometimes you burn the LCD. The heat damages the LCD. It's a lot simpler. Ghosts. We have ghosts around the lab. They throw things away. It's a lot simpler just to solder a new one. The only problem is that you cannot buy them. Nobody makes the LCDs. Now the first part. Now we're gonna do the second one. Now all these pins, I think with a better quality desoldering station things will be a lot easier. Yeah, sometimes it gets full. Takes a lot of time, and there is, as I said, the risk that either you pull a pin, the vibration makes things fall down. Now with a screwdriver we gotta move pin by pin until they click. Means they're free, because if they're not free we'll just pull the pads and then you throw everything away. And there's the risk that I remember badly and the board is not working. Okay. One side moved. Now the other side, one by one. Okay, I think, yep. And we managed to extract it without doing too much damage. The board looks okay. And that's this number one. Now, same thing on the number two. I already passed a little bit of passing all the pins with the other one and adding a little bit of flux or resin. I'm using Colofonia, like I like it better for the smell, and it's natural, it's not so chemical. Adding it, it helps a lot. It's a lot easier to desolder it. Yeah, one side is totally done. Let's just see the other one. We have a couple of pins that are sticky. Okay, and it's out. Let's just throw that away. Ooh, gas melted there. Maybe this one. And now the tricky part. Managed to put everything back inside. There are a lot of pins, so just turn that off. Let's just hit the soldering station. And now, doing this job, in theory, you should not touch the pins of the LCD with your bare hands, because you can ruin them. You can ruin the LCD. It is a really tricky job to manage to put it inside. There are so many pins, and if they're not straight chest, okay, one side is in. I'm just trying to. Ooh, the other one also. Okay, we're good. We're good. Okay, that's good. Peanut. Jeff Dunham. If you don't know who Jeff Dunham is, just go watch his Peanut segments. Okay, let me just try to solder. I'm keeping it like gonna do first the four corners, and then I'll inspect it just for 1 second. It's not how tight it should be. There's a little bit of play. Okay. 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 That's good. Now I'll just solder everything and be right back with you. Yeah, I did not pay enough attention and I freaking damaged a pad. This one. Pulled up. Now I'll see where it goes and I try to do a small solder thingy. We'll just test it to see if it works or not. Yeah, it was just like I said, always, even if you're careful, really careful, some shit can happen. Yeah, I have no idea if okay. Oh, let's just see where it goes. Should be going here. Okay. goes under that thing, and then I have no idea where does it go. Let's desolder this filter, or what is it? It is glued. We have another one that's easier to desolder. Maybe this one. Nope. But I can see where it goes. It goes over there, under it. And there's another one. It goes over there. It goes under the chip. Ooh. Could not pick a worse. Yeah, I could maybe in the middle of those two pins just clean it and pass a small wire from here. Let's just see if this one I may be able to solder it on down on his own. Yeah, it took nothing to have the pad pull out. That's what I was talking about. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to solder it over there. Just take a small piece of wire, like a magnet wire, clean it, solder it. I should buy myself some really thin wire for these jobs, like the ones that mobile phone guys have. I never bought it until now. Now, let me see if I can manage to. Instead, I realized that I don't see so good anymore. I should organize myself either a microscope or a big TV. Okay, clean the insulation. I'll try to. Okay, should be okay. Now, just take the tweezers and have it go around. every 5-minute job it's one broken pin away for becoming a half day. Like in the engines, every broken bolt, every 10-minute job, it's a broken bolt away from becoming a whole day. I see everybody that does electronics, that everybody buy themselves those nice microscopes, and also with a camera inside, the trinocular ones. Maybe I should buy myself one. Is that... I didn't thought I'll go in back fixing electronics. Okay, now let's just... Aha! Nice. Let's just see if we can manage to trick the speed to show up. All you need is like something around 10k resistor. One. Where are you? I do have a big mess in the resistor drawer. Mega ohms. Let's just see if the 1k will do the trick. It is a brown, and the white is the temperature sensor inside the transducer, so whenever... Yep, tricked to show the speed. Okay, now I will close everything back and I will test it on board. Yeah, just I hope you like it. Let me just see if the pins are working, all of them, because that one has the push button replaced. I don't want to have to open it again. Ooh, the push button do not work. Okay. I have to replace the push buttons also. Oh well. Okay. Okay, so these ones are all red, the original Raymarine ones. This one had blacks. So I said, let's just see. Yep, these ones are red. Now, it was a lot simpler job when everything was out, just to pull them out. Freaking freak. I should have tested it. I didn't think about it. It's a little bit of oxidation, so it is a bit tricky to heat them up. Even adding clean solder. Adding clean solder lowers the melting temperature. This is the leaded one, and it's easier to desolder them. Okay, now yeah, I did not remember how difficult it was to replace these buttons. The holes are so small, so the gun doesn't manage to suck all the solder from it. And it's really difficult to really clean the holes without pulling apart. Yeah, when you have no LCD, it's easier because I'll just cut the fits off and I'll tuck them down. Yeah, I didn't thought about it. Oh well, I guess we're doing the things like the not in the easiest way, the hard way. I managed to take them out. I put the new ones in, tested them with the beep. Always tested them because sometimes even new they not work. And now we'll just resolder everything back together. Yeah, it took a little bit of time, and that's on me because I did not check it out. Okay, let's just test it. Okay, yeah, now I'll bring it on board and connect it to my boat. And let's just hope everything goes well from there. If you like it, give us the thumbs up. If you wanna know something else, just leave a comment. And let me know what else would you like to see in the videos. The moment of truth. I connected it. Now I will give it power. We'll know it together if it works or not. Oh, yeah! Yes, 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 yes. Now I'll connect it and leave it like a couple of days to see what's going on, if it lasts. Yeah, but pretty happy about it. Now we'll see how it goes.